Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. ASUS has launched the much awaited phone in the ROG series and it's the ROG Phone 5. And today we will be doing the unboxing and will show you our first impressions of this new gaming phone. So without any further ado, let's do the unboxing. So first of all guys, this is the ROG Phone 5 Standard Edition. And apart from that, there will be two more variants, ROG Phone 5 Pro and the ROG Phone 5 Ultimate, which I will try to show you on our channel as soon as I get them. Now in terms of the unboxing experience, in the front of the box we have the Republic of Gamers logo, and here we can see the number 5 representing the ROG Phone 5. On the top and the bottom we have the Republic of Gamers branding. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So as it's a premium gaming smartphone, the unboxing experience as always is really good. So we get the Akira artwork here on the box, and guys, we will be doing something very interesting with this when we turn on the phone. Now looking at the box content, so on the top we get this mini box with the tagline "For those who dare." And inside it we have the ROG style SIM removal pin, and then here we have some cool looking ROG stickers. And also guys, in India we get this hard carrying case, and about the quality, I find it really good and it does look nice on the phone. Then in the box we have the phone itself. The standard ROG Phone 5 is available in two different colors. So here we have the Phantom Black variant, and it's also available in Storm White. We will look at it in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get a 30-watt adapter with the Type-C port, and then here we have the USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the phone closely. The ROG Phone 5 is a premium gaming phone, and I've been testing ROG phones from the first version, and guys, I personally find the build quality and the design of this series very good. Now looking at the design, this year we have a slightly longer phone with smaller bezels. The bezels are 25% smaller as compared to the last year. At the back we have the Gorilla Glass 3 protection, and we get this glossy dot matrix design that we have also seen in the ROG Zephyrus G14 gaming laptop. The ROG logo is illuminated, and this time you can set a blend of two colors, giving it a nice gradient effect. The round edges of the phone are really comfortable, and overall I really like the premiumness and the build quality of this phone. In terms of the overview, we have the dual speaker system in the front, and next to it we have the 24 megapixel camera. This year we also got a new screen which is custom made by Samsung, and it's a 6.78 inches AMOLED display which comes with the refresh rate of 144Hz. The screen resolution is 2448 by 1080 pixels. ASUS claims that this display is 23% brighter than the previous ROG phone. And also, in this display, you get the 2.5D Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Now looking at the back, we have the triple camera setup where we have the primary 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 sensor. Then we get the 13 megapixel ultra wide f2.4 aperture camera. And the third camera is a 5 megapixel macro camera. Next to the camera setup, we have the flashlight. Below the camera setup, we have the illuminated ROG logo in the dot matrix style. In terms of the ports and buttons, on the right side we have the volume buttons along with the color coded power button. And here we have the triggers which are the Air Trigger 5. And apart from that, in this phone, you also get the motion sensor triggers, and about the working, I will show you in a moment. There is also a mic on this side, and in total, you get a quad mic setup, and that will give you an amazing voice clarity while playing games. At the bottom of the phone we have the headphone jack, Type-C port and the mic, and I'm really happy that the 3.5mm headphone jack is back this year. Looking at the left side of the phone, here we have the SIM tray, and it's a dual SIM tray with the 5G support. And in the middle we have another Type-C port for charging and a Pogo 5-pin connector, which will be useful to connect additional accessories such as AeroActive Cooler 5, ROG Lightning Armor case, etc. So overall in terms of design and build quality, I'm really impressed with this year's design. The phone looks really good in the hand and the build quality feels really premium. Now let's turn on the phone and set it up. So meanwhile it's turning on, let me show you some key specifications. So we get the Snapdragon 888 processor, which is an octa-core processor, and it comes with the Qualcomm Adreno 660 graphics. You get the Android 11 out of the box with the ROG UI. The ROG Phone 5 is available in 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, and 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. You get the LPDDR5 RAM and the UFS 3.1 storage. There is also an in-display fingerprint sensor. dual 3000 mAh battery, 30 watt adapter, and the weight of the phone is 238 grams. So our phone is on, and like always, it is giving us the option to choose between the ROG UI or the stock Android UI. So for sure, we will be choosing the ROG UI. As soon as the phone was turned on, it asked us to scan the Akira artwork on the box. And when we did that, we got a cool looking animation and a mini game, which is a nice touch. Now on the home screen, we have this cool looking animated wallpaper, and every time you unlock your phone, you get this amazing animation. By the way, the fingerprint sensor works pretty fast. You also get the X mode in this phone, which you can enable by squeezing the phone. And here you get this animation, and also the logo at the back lights up. The X mode enhances the performance of your phone while gaming. And it also changes the network, display, and touch sensitivity. But it also increases the CPU and the GPU performance. The 144Hz display on this phone performs really well, and I really like the output. You get the HDR10 Plus support on this display, and I have watched few videos on YouTube which does support HDR, and also on Netflix the performance was really good, and I'm really happy with this Samsung customized display. Now talking about the audio output from the front firing 7 magnet speaker is improved, and right now I can say that the speaker performance is the best in this price segment. And as they are front facing, you get a very good experience while playing games. Now coming to the gaming features, in the ROG phones, we get the Armory Crate, which shows you the games you have installed, and in this, you can also customize lot of things such as GPU and CPU performance, and you can also adjust the touch sensitivity according to your choice. I have played games like Call of Duty and Asphalt 9 with it so far, and guys, the gaming performance so far is very good. The air triggers on this phone are definitely improved, and also the 10 motion triggers are again an advantage. About the motion triggers, you can set different tilt movements, for example, tilt right to reload or tilt backwards or upwards to change the weapon. The motion sensor triggers work surprisingly very good on this phone. And also, if you purchase the Aero Cooler with this phone, then you get the 2 more additional triggers which are at the back. Apart from the improved air and motion triggers, we also get the haptic audio in this phone. And guys, this is just our first impression of this phone. I will be vigorously testing this phone for gaming and will let you know more about its performance and improvements in our review. So stay tuned for that. Now coming back to the AeroActive Cooler 5, which I believe is a very good accessory for this phone. With this, you can get a drop of up to 15 degrees Celsius of surface temperature and approximately 10 degrees Celsius in the CPU temperature, and that too without a need of any external power source. And also, you get this RGB ROG logo at the back, and the fan noise is very low and you don't feel any vibrations. There is also a kickstand which allows you to keep your phone on the table while watching movies or videos. And the thing which I like most about this accessory, that you still get the access to the charging port at the left, and also a 3.5mm headphone jack which is built in the AeroActive Cooler. Now apart from the gaming, everything else in the phone performs good, and the camera performance is also pretty decent. And guys, you can also capture 8K videos with this phone. And again, the full performance review of this phone will be on our channel later this month, so stay tuned for that. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and our first impressions of the ASUS ROG Phone 5. Let us know if you like this phone, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this new gaming phone from ASUS in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.